Hi, I am Dr. Anup Brahmbhatt, Chief Chiropractor at Physiotattva. We at Physiotattva believe in holistic approach of physiotherapy and chiropractic. If we see the local scenario or general scenario for a back pain, after pandemic we have been receiving many patients for the back pain. Back pain is one of the most common condition any of the person throughout his life once he go through this. There can be a various reason for a back pain. We at a Physiotattva do the proper assessment of the back pain backed up by the proper diagnostic, like you can say X-rays, MRIs or whatever is required. We do it, and depend upon the conclusion of this assessment, we fix the plan for the treatment. We have been doing a chiropractic adjustments, fire cupping for Mr. Srinivasan sir. Today, since we have noticed there are certain muscles which is at paraspinal are little tight, and there are certain ligaments which is little tight covering the spinal cord. We will be releasing that muscles and knots through a dry needling. Dry needling is one of the most advanced and very old method of releasing the triggers from the muscles. Here we insert the needle through the skin inside the muscles to break the trigger. If we see our muscles are made up of two fibers, one is actin and myosin. When you are into too much of pain, your muscles form certain triggers at the muscle. So before palpating the triggers, we will be identifying some triggers or small nodules at the back. Sir, do you have any pain here? Correct? So there are certain ligaments, spinous ligament particularly. Yes, it's little tight. Might be because of he was into one of the postures which has led him to the back pain. So before performing the dry needling, I'll clean that area with alcohol-based spirits. I'll wear a mask. Now when we do the needle, we always palpate the bone first and try to release the triggers from one particular point. The sizes of the needles varies from the patient to patient and muscle girth. If patient is very sensitive or if he has any needle phobia, you should ask patient first. We have taken Srinivasan sir's consent before only for the needling, so he don't have any kind of phobia. Many patients I have seen in my career, they get while doing a needling, by just seeing the needle they get the faint. So while performing a needle, you should be very particular about this. Ask your patient more frequently that are you facing any discomfort. See, when you go on exactly on the trigger, you will get a mild twitching contraction. Sir, any discomfort you have?
No.
Are you feeling comfortable? Now first we have covered the major triggers which was then on a spinous process. Our spinous process is like this. This is L1, this is L1, L2, L3, L4, and you have one more L5. So we have covered your major spinous process of L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Now we will be going on a paraspinal also, because the main triggers when you sit continuously, you get a back pain, you get a neck pain, you get a hip pain. That is mainly because your muscle goes into a tightness. So we will be releasing even muscles tightness also through the dry needling. We use single use needle. All are FDA clear or CE certified needles, one use and throw needles. Yeah, done. One more, and we are just, yes. We can always advise a patient that after needling, once you reach home, put a lot of ice pack to avoid any kind of soreness. Sir, any discomfort you have? So this was the needling session for a back pain patient. Thank you.